Welcome to my channel Paris Programming. Today's topic is how we can convert from if condition to switch case. Today I will tell you what are the things that I should concentrate on the if condition part, and only those part I will change in switch case. We'll make it very simple. First example will be a simplest one to make you understand. After that, to enhance your knowledge and the skill in the programming, I will make it little bit complicated. So let's start how we can do this. Let's see the if condition part and its respective switch case. Here I will see that where the if condition is available. This is the keyword if, which is going to be replaced with the keyword switch. Very simple. After that, we have to emphasize on the syntax. Here, every time the variable OP is compared, look at this, OP, in a condition, the variable OP is compared. So that means here, in the expression or condition part, I will use OP. This OP is going to be compared with the case constants. Here, the first case, OP is compared with plus symbol. That means my first case must be a plus symbol. Here it is comparing for the equality, and we know switch case is comparing for the equality. That means OP is compared with the plus symbol. If it is true, then what is the operation that it is doing? It is adding x plus y. I am not concerned with what is the data type of x and y, what is the value of x and y, what is the data type of OP. Simply I need to convert it. So that's why directly I will use x plus y. Don't change the variables. Again I am repeating, don't change the variables while making the conversion. If it is false, then it checks for the else if part. If it is false, then else if. Again the same variable OP is compared with minus symbol. That means I have to put break. I cannot use fall through, because if it is false, it is performing this operation. So next case is minus. The operation is x minus y. So that's why same operation is done over here, x minus y. If it is false, then it checks again. That means I have to use break over here. I cannot use fall through. Now here the condition is applied with x. So here the case constant will be x. Operation is displaying x into y. Here the operation is x into y. Do not forget to put the quotes, single quotes, because these are case constants. If it is false, then no condition, because it is an else part. So it is saying invalid. So here after break I will use default, because if none of the case satisfied, then default is executed. And here if none of the if condition is satisfied, then else part is executed. Exactly in the same way I will display invalid. Let's see one more conversion, but little bit difficult than this one. So let's see the if condition part and its respective switch case. As already we have done, if keyword is going to be replaced with switch keyword. Target the variable which is used. Here the variable is ch is used every time. So that's why here I will pass the parameter to the switch as ch. So the condition variable is ch. Now here it is comparing, is it greater than is equal to a? That means a is also included. And operator is used. And ch is less than equals to d. That means it is targeting for all the alphabets from a to d, where a and d is included. That means what I am going to do, I am going to put case a and is required. So that's why I am using case b, case c and case d without break, that is fall through. If the ch variable contains a, it also displays a to d. If the ch variable is b, then ch is greater than equals to a, true. Ch is less than equals to d, true. That means for b it is also working. So that's why I'm putting case b over here without any break. That is the fall through mechanism. If CH value is C, then CH is greater than equals to A, true. CH is less than equals to D, true. So that's why C is also printing A to D. So here I am applying case C without break, that is fall through. If it is D, obviously it is going to work because less than equals to is given. So that's why here I am using case D. Once you have understood this case, then everything is easy. Let me clear this. So here what is the operation? It is displaying A to D. So that's why I will display A to D. After that, if it is false, then it checks the condition again. So that's why break is applied over here. Now the range is given over here. CH is greater than equals to E and CH is less than equals to H. That means it is true for E to H, where E and H both are included. So that's why it is case E, case F, case G and case H without break, that is fall through. For all these cases, what are the operation it is doing? It is displaying E-H. So I will also display E-H. If it is false, then it is checking again. So that's why else if CH is greater than equals to I and CH is less than equals to L, what is the range it is generating? I to L. So that's why in case constant I will apply I, J, K and L, where all are included, and I will display I to L over here because in if condition it is displaying I to L. So in switch case also I will display I to L. Then if it is false, then the last part is else. So here I have to apply the break because if it is false, then only it will come to the else part. If I am going to remove this break, then it will become fall through and it will execute the default one. So that's why break is required over here. If none of the if condition is satisfied, then else part is executed like this. If none of the case is satisfied, then default will execute, and simply what it is doing, displaying invalid. So here also I will display invalid. Conversion is completed. So here what we have learned, simply we have to check this condition, what the condition is saying. Is it related to fall through or directly single condition? If it is single condition, I will apply single case. If it is combining of more than one condition, then I will use fall through. That is the conclusion that we have learned. Now it is the time for homework. Let's see the if condition, and it is quite clear that we have learned that if keyword has to be converted to switch, and whatever variable that is used in the condition, that is NO, I will use the variable NO over here, and after that the case constant has to be given. But here the range is generated 20 to 29, but it is a very big range. Equals to is also there, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, because 29 is also included. So how many cases I will write? It needs fall through. Case 20, case 21, case 22, like this. Is there any other mechanism to do this? For that, logic is required, and that is what called PRS programming. Instead of writing lot of cases, what we can do to reduce the code, to improve our skill and the ability. So you do the homework, you do it of your own. If you are unable to do, in the next video I will tell you how we can do this. With this, thank you from PRS Programming.